Hi everyone! Guys, today is gonna be one of my favorite live streams that we do ever. It's one of my favorite, actually I say that literally every time we do a live, I feel like. Because today, for the live stream, we are doing karaoke. There's this awesome channel called TJ Karaoke, and if you do TJ Karaoke, it literally looks exactly like a Noraebang does, and I'm pretty sure all of these have Hangul and like Romanized lyrics, so for you guys who can't read Hangul, you can see it here. So I have it up. You guys, please, I want everybody singing along in their bedrooms, in their living rooms, in their kitchens, wherever you are. I want y'all belting it out with me, alright? I can't do this alone, so you guys gotta help me. So unfortunately, I couldn't get a microphone in time, so we're gonna be using my little RJ handy fan. This is gonna be my microphone. We gotta accessorize. We gotta get ready, okay? We gotta get completely ready. See, now we're ready. 예뻤어 나 바라봐준 그 눈빛 나 불러주던 그 목소리 그 모든 게 내게 I'm the one I should love in this world 빛나는 나를 소중한 내 영혼을 설렌다 me like it me like it like it like it me like it like it like it 두근두근두근 헐 우리 사랑을 보잖아 My love is on fire 가자 에요 에요 가자 On my way 하면 너를 밤을 쳐고 On my way 하나 둘 하면 돼요 에이 넌 기분 좋아질 텐데 Tell me what you waiting for We'll take the highway to heaven 언제 어디서나 너는 go Oh yeah 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 Oh yeah yeah Look skirt pull it in the coop beat beat Girl I got you loving on repeat Hey 내게 내만 오는 days 저는 난 반쳐 replay play Oh no 어태머리 singing messed up Yeah 오늘 다들 미치겠어 You're so beautiful 말하고 싶어 나 너 때문에 심장이 몰라 like a 날아가고 싶어 Oh soul in me yo Let's talk about I'm just living in yours Just baby don't cry Oh no 너와 나는 피를 묻힌다면 내가 So 하도록 하네 오늘도 난 너가 Always 나는 너를 노리게 해 내 모든 곳에 나는 시간 중이야 매일매일 Anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see another one where I do karaoke, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Like I said, please obviously follow me on all my social medias and obviously all of Kooky's official social medias. Bye everyone! Oh yeah. Oh, so let me, oh, bye.